If you're lucky enough to have a sewing machine and a serger, I'm going to show you how to make your liners using a serger. You're going to take your 9 by 6 inch rectangle and make a serged edge along the long side. You'll want to use a stitch that uses all 4 threads, or at least 4 threads. It's the strongest stitch and it'll have the strongest edge. You're going to do the same thing on the other long side. Now you're going to take your 9-inch square, put your rectangle inside as close to the center as you can. You can pin it in place if you like, or you can use the binder clips. It's safe to use pins with the liners because they don't have to be waterproof. Now you're going to take your sewing machine and sew with a straight edge your narrow piece onto the bottom layer. You're going to sew right on the serged edge so that you lock in those stitches. Not too close to the edge though. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. Once you're done with that, you're going to go back to the serger and serge all the way around your liner. Remember to go slow around the corners, and if you want to, you can go fast along the straight edges, but definitely be careful around the corners. Okay, once you've done that all around all of the edges, your liner is done, and you repeat that process for all 10 of your liners. It is the fastest way to make liners.